G'day guys, Tom here. I thought I'd run you through quickly on exactly what it takes to mount our headlight and indicator setup on your Royal Enfield 650. Now this setup utilises your factory Royal Enfield headlight brackets and indicator mounts, just with the new gear. So what you need to do is remove your headlight, take about 10 millimeters off of the width if you're fitting our 7-inch headlight, or if you're using our 5.75, you can leave the stock width. So that needs to be filed out of the back here. You can see that slight step on the bracket, and we'll put a shot on the screen of what the factory bracket looks like. Once you've done that, it's as simple as removing your indicators and fitting them into the factory holes and threading the new provided bolt into the 7-inch headlight and wiring it in. Our headlights are plug and play into the factory Royal Enfield loom. The only other thing that you need to do once this is all fitted up is reroute a couple of the cables to underneath the tank to make sure that this front end is nice and clean. That's it guys, an ultra simple setup and a really nice upgrade for the front of your Interceptor or Continental 650.